Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and let me show you how to add photo to contact here. So at first open your phone dialer, then go to contacts and pick the contact that you wish to apply this photo to. Then select edit and pick profile picture. And here choose gallery or camera, so click on camera if you want to grab a picture straight away, and click on gallery to choose the picture that you already have. Let me pick some picture. You can customize it however you like. Then tap on done and finally click on save to apply the change. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this picture will be assigned to Pedro, and anytime he will be calling me I will be able to see it at first. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.